Travis Scott and Jordan Brand's partnership continues in 2024, with new Air Jordan 1 Low colorways, including the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 Low Canary. This edition features a canary, racer blue, light silver, and gum medium brown color scheme inspired by Travis Scott's high school, Elkins High Knights. The signature elements, like the backward swoosh and cactus jack branding, remain consistent with previous releases. The shoe boasts a white midsole with Nike Air cushioning in the heel, completing the design with a gum medium brown rubber outsole. The Travis Scott X Air Jordan 1 Low Canary will be available in women's sizing, with a retail price of $150 USD.